Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I am going to share with you 10 amazing benefits of Vaseline skin protecting jelly. So this amazing product, and if you still buy it in winter times, you are wrong. You are missing a million of benefits from this magic. So yeah, let me tell you all the benefits of Vaseline. And first of all, stop using it on your cracked lips, and there are millions of ways you can use it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. First, let me tell you a little background about Vaseline. So Vaseline is kind of an occlusive. What are occlusive basically? So occlusive kind of a moisturizing category, and they kind of create a barrier over your skin and over your lips, and it just prevent moisture loss. So it is, the Vaseline is kind of a thing that make a barrier on all over your face, and it is preventing moisture loss. So yeah, this is the main function of Vaseline. It prevents 100% water loss. And yes, Vaseline is edible. If you are applying Vaseline on your lips and you kind of swallow something, actually not swallow, and you actually taste some of it, then don't worry, it won't harm your stomach or anything. It is completely edible, but that it doesn't mean that you are eating Vaseline, no. So before starting with the uses of Vaseline, let me tell you its ingredient list. So the first is mineral oil, then paraffin, then microcrystalline wax, tocopherol acetate, and fragrance. Mineral oils are not bad at all. They don't cause any kind of cancers, and as Vaseline is an oil derived, so mineral oil is its base ingredients, and it's good anyway. Then it has paraffin. Paraffin is kind of a wax. Then it has microcrystalline wax, again kind of wax. Then it has tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E. I think vitamin E is there to preserve this product. And then it has fragrance. Obviously I like this fragrance. It is very nostalgic. It has a shelf life of 3 years, and it will easily last me, I think, 1 year, because I'm gonna tell you thousand of ways, actually not thousand, I'm gonna tell you 10 ways to use Vaseline, not on your lips obviously, but in a various ways. And yeah, the price of this is 135, but I think I got it for rupees 120, if I'm not wrong, 120 from my local market, and it is 100 ml / 85 gram. So this is how it looks. So first use is you can use it to heal your cracked lips. Yeah, this is the basic use that people use. So how Vaseline basically functions, that it prevents a barrier on your lips so that your lips won't evaporate any kind of moisture or water, and your lips stays hydrated. That's it. You can again use it as a lip scrub, like apply a thick layer of Vaseline, then let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour maximum, and then take your old toothbrush, or you can take your cotton pad and just swipe it, and voila, you have new exfoliated lips. Second, you can use Vaseline as an under eye cream topping. So whatever cream you're using, whether it is under eye cream or moisturizer, it doesn't matter. You can use it like you can use this Vaseline under your eyes, to make a barrier that your under eye won't lose any kind of water. And it literally works, and I'm following this technique for over 2 months, yeah, for more than 2 months, and I can see my under eyes are well and even more hydrated than before. And if you're not following any kind of rules using of Vaseline, just follow this one rule, and trust me, and you can see the results in your first uses. Third, you can use it as a night sleeping mask, but first of all, let me tell you, it is not for everyone. If you have severely oily skin or combination skin, this thing might not work for you. But if you have dry skin, you can any day take Vaseline on your finger, and you can just tap it like this, and it will act as a sleeping mask, and it will prevent 100% moisture loss. If you have oily skin, and if you don't like the feeling of using a facial oil to seal the moisture, then using Vaseline is a great way to seal everything, to basically lock the moisture into your face. But if you have allergy, or you can see that after using it as a sleeping mask you are getting breakouts or acne, then stop using it. If you have oily skin, there is a chance that you will get the acne because of the pore clogging, but as per I know, Vaseline is non-comedogenic, it won't clog your pore. Number 4, you can use it on your cuts and minor cuts and scratches. What you can do, that you can clean the area and you can take the Vaseline and apply it on the affected area. And I can show you, like I have many cuts because of my kittens. They like, it is love from them. So what I do, that I take the Vaseline on my palm, on my finger, what is palm, and I kind of rub it on my affected area. So what it does, that again it will create a barrier on top of it, so, and the Vaseline won't let my cut create a bump. You see the bump, and they are hard to dry, and they kind of itch. The Vaseline again prevent to occur the the sloggy blackish bump on top of your cut, so it actually prevents that. So this is again a great way to use Vaseline on your cuts and minor scratches. Vaseline can easily replace your antibacterial ointment for your minor cuts. Number 5, you can apply Vaseline on your chaffing, in a humid and hot day, especially in India, when you have to walk and you get the chaffing around your thigh areas, or in your joint areas. So often my mom applies coconut oil on that area, but trust me guys, coconut oil hurts a lot, like it itches and it burns. So I don't prefer using coconut oil on my chaffing areas. So what I do instead, I take the Vaseline and I apply it on my chaffing and around my thighs. So it will it works, it acts as a lubricant, and it won't burn that much. The area become moist, and that's it. If you're someone who do nail extensions, or who prefer doing their nails and manicure and pedicure at home, then this is again a blessing. This is gonna be a blessing for you. What you can do, that you can take the Vaseline, apply it on your nail, and you can use it as a cuticle pusher, or after it you can like apply a thick layer of Vaseline, and you can like let it overnight be on your nails. So what it did, that the thing you have done on your nails, like all the acrylics and the nail paint, so basically the Vaseline will heal your nail skin, as the cuticle area are pretty sensitive, so it will heal the area if you apply it overnight. Or what you can do, that you can use Vaseline and you can use vitamin E oil into it, and you can mix it, and you can again use it on your nails, on your other fingers, legs. It will act as a nail soothing cream for you. Number 7, you can use Vaseline in your makeup in in different ways, not thousand but in many ways. So wet looks are so much in trend right now. So what you can do, that take your Vaseline on your finger and tap it gently on your eye look, and see the difference. It because I've used shimmer, and that's why you're thinking it doesn't work that properly, but you can increase the amount of your Vaseline and see the difference. It has instantly given me this kind of wet look. And you do not necessarily buy eyelid, wet eyelid, I don't know what they call, but there are products, I've seen them, the products, and that are special. You can use them as a wet eye topper, but you can easily replace that thing with this cheap Vaseline. Yeah. Let's just use it on this eye also to maintain a symmetry. Up next, you can again use Vaseline as your eyelash lengthening thing. So if you have little or small eyelashes, what you can do, that take the Vaseline and apply the Vaseline on a clean mascara on. Next, you can use it, you can apply a coat of Vaseline, and then you can use mascara. So what it will do, that you remove your mascara very easily, and it does not stop here. It will give you a tremendous length, volume, and it will separate your lashes, and you'll see a difference. It will look beautiful. It will look beautiful on you. Number 9, Vaseline will prolong your fragrances. Yes, you heard me right. Like, take Vaseline on your joints, and then I don't use fragrance that much. I'm more into body mists, and this is this Body Cupid body mist in the variant Lily, and spray it. Yeah, just like this, and Voila, now you have a fragrance that will last the entire day on you, and you know the trick, it's Vaseline. And lastly, I think it is number 10 if I'm not wrong. If you have extremely frizzy hair and baby hairs, again, like take Vaseline on your finger and you can like apply Vaseline on your hair just like this, and it will tame your baby hair and it will give you a sleek look, like sleek hair look, and it will like add a beautiful shine on your hair too. There are numerous way you can apply Vaseline on your to tame your hairs basically. One pro tip: avoid buying the other variants of Vaseline, like use the original version, because I don't like the fragrance and other kind of, you know, the aloe one or the cocoa one. I truly prefer you buy the original one, as I'm gonna use it in various ways, like on my skin, on my lips. Sometimes you can eat it if you want to. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do follow the techniques, the 10 ways that I've told you to, you know, you can use your Vaseline and just take the most out of it. It is not just a tiny little box that you can buy in winters only. Just buy it any time of the season because it is wondrous. And don't forget to drink a lot of water, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.